इस वीडियो में हम जून फर्स्ट वीक के करंट अफेयर्स को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। जो इससे पहले एक वीडियो मैंने बना रखा है, तो शुरू करते हैं। एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री साइंस MOU with 4 institutions for pilot projects. MOU between Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar signed with 4 organizations such as Patanjali Organic Research Institute, Amazon Web Services, ESRI India Private Limited and AgriBazaar Private Limited. एम क्या है इसका? टू इम्प्लीमेंट डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट यूजिंग किसान डेटाबेस ऑन पायलट बेसिस फॉर 1 year period. Agriculture Ministry also has constituted a task force under Sanjay Agrawal, Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, to sort out roadmap for India's digital agriculture mission. Let's move to the next current affair. A report titled 1 Year of India AI released. India AI portal indiaai.gov.in observed its first anniversary. A report titled 1 Year of India AI was released and a new look of the website homepage was also unveiled at virtual event. National AI Portal, a joint initiative by the Ministry of Electronics and IT, that is MEITY, National E-Governance Division and NASOCAM. Let's move to the next current affair. MOD Science contract with Mahindra Telephonics for surveillance radars. Tie-up between Ministry of Defence, MOD means Ministry of Defence, with Mahindra Telephonics integrated system. Both entities signed a rupees 323.47 crore worth contract for procurement of 11 airport surveillance radars for the use of Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard under the buy and make category to boost Make in India initiative. Let's move to the next current affair. Health Ministry launched digital versions of health scheme. Union Minister Harshvardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare launched the digital version of Central Government Health Scheme CGHS, umbrella scheme of Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi RAN, Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi, and Health Minister's discretionary grant on National Health Authority's IT platform. This initiative will enable the eligible beneficiaries to avail the health care services without paperwork. Next current affair is Expert Committee on VCC submitted its report to IFSCA. Expert Committee on Variable Capital Company, VCC का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Variable Capital Company, headed by KP Krishna, submitted its report on the feasibility of VCCs in the International Financial Services Center to the International Financial Service Center Authority. Chairperson of the International Finance Services Center Authority is Sri Injeti Srinivasan. Let's move to the next current affair. Government announced a scheme to provide pension for COVID-19 victims. Government of India has announced a scheme to provide a pension for the dependents of the COVID-19 victims, among other benefits for the families who lost their earning members due to the pandemic under the Employees State Insurance Scheme and Employees Provident Fund Scheme. To support the families of victims, the benefit of the Employee State Insurance Corporation Pension Scheme for the employment related death cases is extended to those who died due to COVID-19. Let's move to the next current affair. DAC approves RFP for constructing 6 submarine and rupees 6,000 crore for air defense gun. Defense Acquisition Council, which is called DAC, Defense Acquisition Council, chaired by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, approves request for proposal RFP, request for proposal for the construction of 6 conventional submarine under strategic partnership model at a cost of rupees 43,000 crore and allocated 6,000 crore for modernization of Indian Army's air defense guns and ammunition under Buy and Make India category. Let's move to the next current affair. MOSG and Minister launched and E-Minister launched SAGE initiative and portal for elder people. Senior Care Aging Growth Engine SAGE Senior Care Aging Growth Engine initiative and portal to help old aged people was launched in a virtual event. This is the one-stop access where elderly people can access all their essential needs, launched by Thawar Chand Gehlot, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. EESL ISHRAE joins for efficient and clean energy solution in HVAC and R industry. Tie-up between Energy Efficient Services Limited EESL. EESL का full form क्या है? Energy Efficient Services Limited. A joint venture under the Ministry of Power and Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineering. ISHRAE. ISHRAE का full form क्या है? Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineering. That's it for this video.